I'm going to give you a little rundown on this 1965 Mustang. So let's start with coming around the front and looking under the hood. You'll see it has the 289 badges on the side, and if we look underneath here, it has a generator. It has the big horns mounted on the frame. It has the brake light switch on the master cylinder, and it's hard to tell, but the original color on the valve covers was this light blue, and of course the air cleaner is now the light blue that I painted it because it was well, it needed to be painted, so I just painted it. Now what I'm telling you here is that this happens to be a 1964 and a half, or in other words, very early production 1965 Mustang. Okay, so this is a 289 4-barrel factory 4-speed D code, which was another code that they used in the early production cars. Only the ones with 289 4-barrel 4-speed had the D code. So it's an original Rangoon red car. It's been repainted, obviously, but that's the original color. So we have an original early production 65 Mustang built in the middle of 1964, and factory option 4-speed 289 4-barrel. The owner put in the tilt column with rack and pinion power steering conversion. So that's really the thing that's been changed, and of course it doesn't have the original wheels, but original California car. Of course, these early cars were all built in Dearborn, so it was not built in California. The early 64 and a halves were all out of Dearborn. So this is the car that's going to be for sale. He wanted me to look at it and evaluate it, talk to him about it, so he has an idea what to expect, and it's on the market. It's actually been in his garage for several years, and he finally decided he's not going to do anything with it. Time to let it go. You can see I've read the door tag and came up with everything there, and of course the door tag matches the number that's under the hood. So there you have it, a real 64 and a half Mustang that's got the 289 4-barrel and factory 4-speed. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.